Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy English Channel. Today, we have a conversation related to cafe. You will hear two friends at a cafe. They will order food and drinks, and they will use many simple and useful English words. Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly. Just relax and listen. Before we begin, I have one question. Listen carefully to the story. Try to find the answer. Here is today's question. What does Alex order to eat at the cafe? The answer is in the conversation. Listen carefully and remember it. You will write your answer in the comments at the end. Okay, let's start. Alex, are you okay? You look a little tired.
Yes, I've been staring at my screen for 3 hours. My eyes are very tired.
Me too. I think I need a break.
That sounds good. Where do you want to go?
There's a new cafe near the library. I walked past it yesterday. It looked very nice.
A cafe? Yes, let's go. I really need something warm to drink.
Perfect. Let's go now.
Oh, this place is very cozy. I like the wooden sign outside.
I knew you would like it. Look at the big windows. You can see inside from here.
It looks warm inside. And quiet, too.
Yes, that is why I wanted to come here. Come on, let's go in.
Oh, wow. This smells amazing.
I know, that is fresh coffee. They roast their own beans here.
Really? That is why it smells so good.
Yes, and look at the walls. They have small plants everywhere.
This is a very nice place. Very calm.
Let's find a seat. How about that corner table?
Yes, that one looks comfortable. Let's sit there. Okay, let me look at the menu. There are so many drinks.
Yes, they have a lot. Do you know what a cortado is?
No, I've never heard that word. What is it?
A cortado is espresso with a small amount of warm milk. It is stronger than a latte, but not as strong as a pure espresso.
I see. So it is somewhere in the middle.
Exactly. It is a good choice if you want something not too strong and not too weak.
That sounds perfect for me. I will have a cortado.
And I want a matcha latte.
Matcha? Is that the green tea drink?
Yes, it is made with green tea powder and warm milk. It is a little earthy but very smooth.
I tried matcha once before. It was interesting. I think I prefer coffee.
That is okay. Everyone has different taste.
What about food? I'm actually quite hungry.
Let me check the food menu. They have toast, croissants, and granola bowls.
Oh, a croissant sounds nice. I have not had one in a long time.
I want the granola bowl. It has yogurt, fruit, and honey on top. It sounds very fresh and healthy.
That does sound nice. Maybe I should get that too.
Let's get different things. Then we can try each other's food.
Good idea. Okay, you go and order. I will wait here.
Sure, I'll be back soon. Excuse me.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Can I have a matcha latte, please? Medium size.
Of course. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
One medium hot matcha latte. Would you like sugar?
No, thank you. Just plain, please.
Sure. And what else?
One cortado, please.
One cortado. Any milk changes or just the standard?
Just the standard is fine. Thank you.
Okay. One matcha latte and one cortado. Anything to eat?
Yes, please. One croissant and one granola bowl.
Great. The granola bowls are very popular today. We just made a fresh batch of granola this morning.
Oh, that is great.
So that is one matcha latte, one cortado, one croissant, and one granola bowl. Is that everything?
Yes, that is all. Thank you.
Is this for here or to take away?
For here, please. We are sitting at the corner table.
Perfect. That will be $14.20.
Here you go.
Thank you. We will bring everything to your table shortly.
Thank you so much.
How was it? Was it easy to order?
Yes, very easy. The staff are very friendly here.
Good. I always feel a little nervous ordering at new places.
I understand, but the menu is simple here. Next time, you can try ordering yourself.
Maybe. What did you order for food?
A granola bowl for me and a croissant for you.
Perfect. I love croissants, especially when they are warm and fresh.
They said the granola is fresh too, made this morning.
Oh, nice. I think I made a mistake choosing the croissant now.
We can share, don't worry.
Oh, here they come.
Look at my matcha latte. The color is so pretty. It is a deep green.
It really is beautiful. And my cortado looks very rich and dark.
Let me try mine first. It is warm and smooth. Not too sweet, not too bitter, just right.
That sounds great. Let me try my cortado. Oh, this is really good. It has a strong coffee flavor, but the milk makes it gentle.
See, I told you it would be good.
You were right. Now let me try my croissant. It is so buttery and soft inside. The outside is perfectly crispy.
And my granola bowl is wonderful. The honey is very sweet and the fruit is so fresh.
Can I try a little?
Of course, here.
Oh, this is really good. The yogurt is so creamy.
Right? I want to come here every morning.
Me too. This is the best break I've had in a long time.
I'm glad you like it.
I think we should go back soon.
Yes, we've been here for almost an hour.
Really? It did not feel that long.
That's because we were relaxed.
True. Thank you for bringing me here, Nia. I feel so much better now.
Me too. Okay, let's go. But let's come back again soon.
Definitely. Next time, I want to try the granola bowl myself.
Good plan. I hope you enjoyed that story. Nia and Alex visited a cafe together. They learned many new English words today. Words like cortado, matcha latte, granola bowl, croissant, and barista. Now let me ask the question one more time. What does Alex order to eat at the cafe? Did you find the answer in the story? Please write your answer in the comments below. Even one short sentence is great practice. And if this video helped you, please like the video. And please subscribe to the channel. I share slow and easy English stories. They are perfect for beginner learners. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.